Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My voice is a little bit gone because of allergies, but today's video is going to be an unboxing of a mini haul that I did from Thredup. I had some extra credit money on there that I wanted to use, and as you know, if you've been on my channel for a little bit, I'm prepping for college this fall, so I need to get some like pants and stuff for business casual attire because we can't wear jeans until after 5, and I have a lot of jeans compared to business casual pants. That was my main goal with this, and then I found a few other pieces that would also be very helpful. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and I'm also going to do a try on. So here's our box, and we're going to unbox this. Hopefully I can keep my head in the frame as well as the box. Really should have prepped ahead and opened this sooner. So I know I've been getting a lot from Thredup, but hopefully this will pretty much cover everything that I needed. Just open this up. So bad ripping the bag of things. Alright, so first piece are these pants. These are a little bit more, I don't know, it's a slightly different fabric than I expected for some reason. But these are the first pair of pants. They're navy, and they kind of have this light brownish color in there with white and pink. So yes, this is the first piece. Hopefully these work and aren't too tight. Alright, these pants are a tad large, but I think that's totally fine. I don't think it's really noticeable. These are like this really cute summer vibe, so I really like them with these heels for one. And two, I feel like these pants, since they're a little bit more flared leg, they kind of need a little bit of a heel. So that's these pants. They're super comfortable, and they're kind of that stretchy, lightweight material. These are definitely going to be a go-to in the summertime. Second, these are so cute. Second piece is Ann Taylor Factory size 6. And these are like these cute little, these are almost like khakis, almost capris. They're gray with the white print. So yeah, that's this piece number 2. And they look like they're brand new because all these pockets are still sewed together, so very nice. If I were to keep these, they would definitely need to be tailored. They definitely have a lot of space right in here. The thing is that they're good everywhere else. Next on this side, oh, these are these jogger pants that I got. The brand on these is Reebok, and these are just going to be some jogger pants that I can wear like exercising around campus, or I don't know, doing any sort of activity that is after 5 p.m. I can wear these and I don't have to wear jeans to everything, so that's going to be super great. These are just navy. I just figured these would be a basic need because I don't have anything like this, and they will be awesome if they fit properly. Hopefully they do. These will definitely be a keep. Just basic solid jogger pants. They are long enough, so that's really key here. These will be super helpful to wear anytime we have to like go out and do something active, or anything that I don't want to have to wear jeans or dress pants for. These will be awesome. Next up, this cute little size small pineapple print tank top, and I was hoping this would be nice and cute and modest for in the summer. It's actually tied in the back, which I didn't realize, and it's like shorter in the front than it is in the back, but that'll be, I think, a really cute piece. I don't really have anything like that, so that's going to be very helpful. This piece is a little bit lower than I would normally wear, but it's not exactly immodest yet, so I would wear probably a tank top underneath just for like my sanity, but it's not actually immodest in and of itself. This is a scoop neck. This is great. It's awesome and modest. And then this is the back. I would tie this better, obviously, but this isn't too bad. I don't love where the ruffle is exactly. I mean, it's cute. It's a little bit longer in the back. It has like a little bit ruffle, so it's more style. So I mean, it's a really cute piece. I'll wear this probably a lot in the summertime. Next up, ooh, these are like not as great material as I was expecting. I thought this was going to be a maxi material, but apparently I was wrong. It kind of sticks together. Not super great, but it's a good print and it's a good length. It's definitely going to be comfortable. I will probably end up keeping it, but it is a little bit clingy, as you may be able to tell, so that's not really super enjoyable. But if I can figure out a way to put like a slip-on underneath and then it not stick, then this will definitely be a keeper because I think it's a good print, it's comfortable, and it's a good length too, so like I can wear this with a lot of stuff. Next up we have these pants. These are boot cut pants and they are corduroy, which I thought was really cool. I just hope they fit properly. This says size 6, but it doesn't even zip, so that's what we have. Next, these are very like slick. This is Banana Republic Contoured Fit, stretch size 6. This is like very flowy, so that's kind of cool. But it is a wide leg, so that'll be more like fancy. These are a little bit big because they are size 6. The reason I get size 6 is 1, because that's what they had available, and 2, because they're going to be a little bit better back here, and also the length is going to be there. These are also a little bit of a flare leg, which is going to be super cool for like some heels. Once again, I already have a pair of black dress pants, but these are now flare legged, so these will be a different style, definitely more comfortable. Then over here we have, I think it's actually Tommy Hilfiger size 6 gray dress pants. I wanted a pair of gray dress pants because I felt like that would give me a really good variety. This could be a regular leg, I just can't tell right now, but that may be a little bit bigger. I'm not sure, but that's that style. Hopefully these are long enough as well. These are the Tommy Hilfiger gray pants. This is really not the best angle, but over here you can see how it's kind of like a flared leg. See that being really good with some heels. They're a little bit loose, so I could probably get these tailored. I think they are going to work out super awesome, and I just need a slight tailor. I did this video originally as a mini haul, but this is kind of a larger haul. These are actually like a light green print. That is white and black. It's actually light green and black, which is going to be really cute actually. A little bit of extra style. Size medium. Cute little pants. And they have this elastic at the bottom so that it will kind of come in at the bottom, so that will be really cute. I love the pants. They're just super cute. They have pockets. I love how comfortable they are and so like easy. So I love them for that reason, but they are super short on the bottom. Right, you can really see actually how high they are when I put shoes on. So I know these are high heel shoes. You can really just see how high they are. So I'm not gonna be able to keep these. Then I found this other little tank top. It's Loft brand, and I felt like this would be a really great staple piece that I can just wear under stuff, or if it's modest, I can just wear it by itself in like the summertime with maybe like another tank top underneath. Because it is a little see-through, but it's polka dot on the front and it's like a tannish color and it's just solid in the back. But I thought this would be a really great piece that'll go with a lot of stuff. For this one I pulled it up a little bit more because it's a tad low. If I pull it to where it normally is, so I'm going to wear a tank top underneath that. Also, it's like almost slightly see-through, so I'll be wearing something underneath that as well. But it's modest on the sides here, which is great. This one's also longer in the back than it is in the front. I'm going to love this one, especially tucked in. But I will be wearing something underneath because it's a little low. I thought these were a very different color, but they're actually yellow and black. But I mean, it's cute. I just didn't think I got anything like this. Wow, these are very see-through, so I definitely have to wear something underneath. But they're super flowy. It's gonna be great in spring and summer especially. I'm not sure what I'll be able to wear on the tops with this, but we'll see how they are. These pants are so cute. They have this adorable tie here. They have pockets as well. It's not too tight, it's super flowy. I would need some kind of shoe with a little bit of height, and I really feel like this print isn't too loud, so I think it'll work with a lot of stuff super nicely. This last piece was definitely a last second thing. I thought it was just really cool, and it's orange. It's like this little jacket, and I thought this was going to be super cool to like have a cool style piece in my closet. So hopefully it works out as I was thinking it would. It's Chico's brand. It's almost like a regular orange. It looks super orange on camera, but it's more burnt orange than it looks on the screen right now. I'm gonna put it on now to see how it is. This piece is what I would call a style coat because it's not like a coat you'd wear because you need to wear a coat. It's more like a style coat because you're like, okay, I need another layer, but I want to look really stylish, so I'm gonna put on this piece. I think this is really cool, at least in the camera it is, but like, wow, that is cute. I'm gonna check the mirror really quickly. Yeah, this is definitely working out how I thought it would. I'm super excited, especially with like if I curl my hair like this with this type of outfit. very cute. So that's today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. I will leave the prices of each item in the description box. I will have to pay a slight restocking fee for the 2 items that I'm not keeping. So I think this was a really good haul. I'm very excited about college already. But these items are definitely gonna help me out with some outfits, and I'm basically done clothing shopping for college, which is super exciting. I'll probably just get a few more dresses, maybe a few button-up tops. I will have more videos out in the next few months with some actual college shopping for like dorm shopping and college stuff that I need. But this is pretty much the last little bit of clothing that I'll need for college. So I'm very excited, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like down below. Also consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this one. I am definitely all allergy in this video, so sorry that my voice sounds so weird, but I'm happy to be here, and I will see you all in my next video.